Good day, everyone. My name is Tan Yijoe, and I'm from USM Computer Science School. My metric number is 153811. Agriculture is undergoing an evolution, becoming more industrialized and technology-driven. With the advancement of technology, I believe that it will change how we view agriculture in its entirety. Innovation is now more important than ever before. The industry as a whole is facing huge challenges, from the rising cost of supplies, shortage of labor, and changes in consumer preference. There are increasing recognitions from the agriculture corporations that solutions are needed for all these challenges. So in this presentation, I'm going to introduce you all to the future of agriculture, the smart farming. So the main point in this presentation will be the precision farming, the agricultural drone, and also the big data. So what is smart farming? Smart farming is actually a management concept focused on providing the agriculture industry with the infrastructure to leverage advanced technology, including the big data, artificial intelligence, and also automation. By making farming more intelligent, it actually helps us to reduce the overall cost, improve the sustainability and the experience of the consumer. Smart farming can be also known as precision farming or precision agriculture, which means that the farm is connected with the sensors and the intelligence system. This is to make the farming processes more controlled and accurate. So in simple words, tons of data collected by the agricultural sensors will be used to determine the conditions of each plant so that each of the plants will get precisely the treatment they need. So the biggest difference from the classical approach is that precision farming allows decisions to be made per square meter or even per plant. Besides that, the data collected can be also used to track the status of our business, as well as the profitability, the efficiency, and etc. With all this information provided, we can lower our production risk by planning for a better product distribution and boost the effectiveness of pesticides and fertilizers. Besides that, replacing human labor with automation and robotics technology is actually a growing trend across multiple industries, and agriculture will not be an exception. The advance in technologies of automations and robotics have completely transformed the modern agriculture. Driverless tractor and agricultural drone that used for planting and spraying purposes are actually the best example to show that automations and robotics can reduce the labor cost while increase the efficiency. Other than just being used for crop spraying and crop planting processes, it can also be efficiently used for monitoring and analysis. Since the robots can collect multiple data such as the humidity and the thermal of the environment, all this data collected will actually affect how much of waters or how much of pesticides to be provided to each plant in order to optimize the usage of waters and the pesticides. This indicates that smart farming is not only cost-effective but also eco-friendly. So in conclusion, I strongly believe that smart farming is able to deliver a more productive and sustainable agricultural productions. In the end, I believe this smart farming revolution will enable better food traceability, which in turn will lead to increased food safety. It will also be beneficial for the environment by optimizing the usage of water and fertilizers. I strongly believe that smart farming has a real potential to deliver a more productive and sustainable form of agricultural productions based on a more precise and resource-efficient approach. This is my own experience that my dad is actually a farmer, and now agricultural drone is being used by him for crop planting and crop spraying purposes. He told me that with the help of the agricultural drone, he can increase the profit by cutting down on the labor cost and the wastage. It is glad to know that Malaysia is actually very advanced in the agricultural technologies. For your information, agriculture in Malaysia makes up 12% of the nation's GDP. This indicates that agriculture is actually one of the most important sectors of Malaysia's economy. And I believe that by applying of the concept of smart farming in Malaysia, it will be a very positive impact on the Malaysia's economy. So thank you for spending your time with me, and that's all from me. Thank you.